Hi, hello. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is for a wig review. I haven't posted in a while. I don't know, I wasn't feeling pretty, but I'm feeling real pretty, so I want to tell y'all about this wig. It's a Unice wig, Unice. I'll link it below. I can never pronounce this. Unice? I'm gonna say Unice. Bye Bye Knots wig. It's a 7x5 lace closure, blonde highlights, body wave. Did I say bleach knots already? Maybe I didn't. No, it's not a 5x6 closure. I'm sorry, 7x5 closure if I didn't already say that. And this is what 16 inches look like. I don't know if it's y'all, but I feel like 16 inches don't be 16 inches anymore like it used to be. I feel like 16 inches used to touch my butt. Now it's like bra length. But I don't know if y'all can see that. Some other highlights too. I definitely could have done better with the curls. I'm gonna work on that. But so to glue it down, I probably already showed it or will show it, but I just used this Ebon, and then I also put some lace tint on my wig. But let's see. I'm pretty new to wigs and like gluing them down, or not even gluing them down, but just in general, like lace wigs. It would be time I'm doing a video where it doesn't get what I want it to give. Let's see what happened. It lifted. Okay, so key tip, make sure that like your thing is flat. So my lace lifted up a little bit. Wow. That just, oh my goodness, that just like pissed me off. I'm gonna be back. Okay, let's try this one more time. One more. Like I said, I am very much new. Okay, there we go. I am very much new to like putting anything on the front of a wig. Like usually if I did a wig, it was like a headband wig, or I was probably just out there looking crazy and didn't even try to melt my lace. It was just like, whatever, let me put shades right here and make it work. But I feel like this one is good for beginners like me because I didn't have to do much. I literally used two products, lace tint and this little Ebon lace melt spray. I want to try the mousse foam that they have too, but literally I feel like this was, it was easy and beginner friendly. I'm about to show y'all closer to the lace. Turn this way, please. Say it, turn this way. Here we go. Hey. It is 7x5, so yeah, that's gonna look a little crazy, but don't nobody be looking at that. Can y'all see? I'll zoom in. Like you can kind of see, but I feel like that's pretty good. Cause if y'all go back and watch the other video I had a lace wig with before I was about to go out to LA and get proposed to, it looked terrible compared to this. This is like 10 steps forward, so I'm progressing. But yeah, this is she, this is her, 7x5, 16 inches. Tell me what y'all think. But also I did have a question for y'all. Any recommendations on how to melt it like even better? Drop them in the comments. Anything that would be like a cool or easy type of curler versus like using your flat iron, drop them below. Drop it all. But yeah, see you guys in the next video. I can't wait to do some more hair videos soon now that I feel pretty again. Just joking, not joking. But bye y'all, subscribe to